The scent of aging, 8 facts about body odor changes in older women. Have you ever entered a room and noticed a distinctive scent reminiscent of your grandmother? Or perhaps you've wondered why your body seems to change its smell over time? It's not your imagination. Science actually proves that our bodies change scent as we age. But what's the real reason behind this? And is there a way to manage it? Let's explore 8 fascinating facts about changes in body odor in older women in this video. 1. Chemical changes in the skin. Human skin, a living ecosystem, is far more than a simple external barrier. It's a complex interplay of internal and external factors. As we age, this ecosystem undergoes significant transformations, one of the most notable being a decrease in the natural production of sebum. This reduction in sebaceous gland activity has profound implications for the way we perceive and experience our own body odor. During youth, particularly during adolescence and early adulthood, sebum production is robust. These oils, secreted by the sebaceous glands, play a crucial role in moisturizing the skin and protecting it from environmental aggressors. Furthermore, sebum acts as a carrier molecule, retaining fragrance particles and enhancing the longevity and projection of perfumes applied to the skin. However, as women enter middle age, and especially after the age of 40, sebum production gradually declines. While this may be welcomed by those who previously struggled with oily skin and acne, the reduction in sebum has other, often less anticipated, consequences for body odor. The diminished production of sebum significantly impacts the way our body odor is perceived. Sebum not only hydrates the skin, but also plays a vital role in carrying and amplifying scent molecules. With less sebum present, fragrance particles are not retained as effectively and dissipate more readily. This alteration in the interplay between skin oils and scent molecules can lead to a noticeable shift in body odor profile. Instead of the stronger, more musky scent often associated with younger individuals, mature women may experience a softer, more delicate, or even subtly sweet or powdery scent. This change reflects the natural evolution of the skin's ecosystem and its impact on the complex chemistry of body odor. Understanding this shift allows for a more informed approach to personal care and fragrance choices as we age. These changes not only affect your natural scent, but also alter how products like perfumes and lotions interact with your skin. Due to decreased skin oils, perfumes may not last as long or project their scent as effectively as they did in your younger years. Lotions and creams may also smell different due to the lack of oils to retain fragrance molecules. Furthermore, this reduction in oil production impacts your skin's natural microbiome. These bacteria help break down sweat and contribute to body odor. As skin becomes drier and produces less oil, the interaction between sweat and bacteria changes. This can result in a subtler or unfamiliar body odor, leading many women to perceive a less noticeable or strangely altered scent. To mitigate these changes and maintain a pleasant scent, consider these strategies. Regular moisturizing and using appropriate skincare products can help maintain skin suppleness and reduce dryness. Selecting perfumes, lotions, and body care products compatible with these hormonal shifts will optimize fragrance effectiveness. Regular exfoliation removes dead skin cells and excess oils, promoting cleaner skin and preventing heavy or unpleasant body odor. 2. The scent of aging. The concept of old person smell refers to a characteristic odor often associated with elderly individuals. This scent isn't necessarily unpleasant or foul, but many describe it as dry, musty, stale, or even subtly resembling wax. Crucially, this odor doesn't originate from external factors like dust or household items. It's intrinsically linked to the body itself. The distinctive smell is primarily attributed to a compound called 2-nonenal, a chemical with an odoriferous nature. The body begins producing 2-nonenal around the age of 40, with production increasing as we age. It's a byproduct of oxidative stress, a process where the body breaks down fatty acids within the skin. Oxidative stress is a natural phenomenon resulting from cellular exposure to environmental factors such as sunlight, pollution, and the natural process of aging itself. This process leads to the degradation and breakdown of cells and compounds within the body. The thinning of skin plays a significant role. As we age, our skin becomes thinner, impacting how the body absorbs and metabolizes substances. Specifically, 2-nonenal is not absorbed as readily as in younger years, leading to its accumulation on the skin and the resulting odor. This odor isn't confined to the skin. It readily transfers to clothing, bedding, and household furnishings. The accumulation of 2-nonenal on household items contributes significantly to the characteristic smell often associated with the homes of elderly individuals. The compound readily adheres to fabrics, carpets, pillows, blankets, and even wooden floors. This means the odor isn't solely present on the person but permeates their living environment, becoming a noticeable feature in many households. Understanding the chemical basis of this odor helps to demystify the phenomenon and appreciate the natural processes of aging. While this odor is a natural part of aging, the video offers several tips to mitigate and manage the smell of 2-nonenal. Maintain hydration. Drinking sufficient water and consuming antioxidant-rich foods such as green tea, citrus fruits, and green vegetables can help reduce oxidative stress, thereby limiting 2-nonenal production. Exfoliate regularly. The video recommends exfoliating once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and oxidized cells where 2-nonenal often accumulates. This helps reduce the odor and leaves the skin feeling refreshed. Use odor-reducing products. Certain cleansers and moisturizers formulated for mature skin can help minimize this natural odor. These products not only cleanse but also hydrate the skin, further reducing unpleasant smells. Modify your environment. 2-nonenal can cling to household items like blankets, pillows, and furniture. Regularly washing linens, changing bed sheets, and using an air purifier can help cleanse the air and reduce odor buildup in your living space. Don't worry excessively. While this smell may be bothersome, the video emphasizes that it's a completely natural process of aging. Instead of worrying about this change, adopting simple measures to control the odor will help women feel more confident and maintain freshness in their daily lives. In summary, 3. Hormonal changes. Hormones significantly influence physiological processes, including sweat production and body odor. Estrogen, a key female hormone, plays a crucial role in regulating body odor. During reproductive years, high estrogen levels maintain body odor balance, resulting in a milder, more pleasant scent. Estrogen also controls skin moisture and limits sweat odor. However, estrogen levels decline significantly during menopause, leading to noticeable bodily changes, including altered body odor. Decreased estrogen causes drier skin, affecting how the body processes sweat and skin bacteria. Dry skin and altered body odor. Postmenopausal skin dryness impacts sweat glands and sweat production. While not universally experienced intensely, some women notice a sharper, stronger, or even more pungent body odor. Changes in skin bacteria also contribute. Skin bacteria are key to body odor formation. With less moisture and sweat, the skin's bacterial balance shifts, producing new odors. Initially, bacteria may interact better with moist sweat, creating a milder scent. Postmenopause, drier skin, and less moist sweat lead to different bacterial decomposition, altering body odor. Changes in sweat. The body has 2 sweat glands, eccrine and apocrine. Eccrine glands secrete odorless sweat for cooling. Apocrine glands secrete sweat richer in proteins and fats. Bacterial decomposition of this sweat creates characteristic body odor. Postmenopause, hormonal changes may stimulate apocrine glands to produce more sweat or alter its decomposition, changing body odor. Impact on body care products. Many postmenopausal women find their usual deodorants and body washes less effective due to altered sweat and skin bacteria. This can impact confidence and odor control. Solutions for hormone-related odor changes. Using pH-balancing body washes, especially those for mature skin, helps maintain skin's natural acidity and control odor-causing bacteria. Natural fabrics like cotton or bamboo, instead of polyester, keep the body drier, reducing sweat and odor. These materials absorb sweat better than synthetics. Adequate hydration and a healthy diet maintain skin moisture and mitigate hormonal changes. Antioxidant-rich foods like green tea, leafy greens, and citrus fruits may reduce oxidative stress, lessening body odor changes. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can reduce stress-induced apocrine sweat and odor, as stress can increase apocrine sweat production. 4. Medications. Medications can affect bodily chemistry and body odor in several ways. Drugs influence various bodily processes, including metabolism, hormone regulation, and sweat gland function. As medications are absorbed and metabolized, they can alter body chemistry, impacting body odor. Some medications may cause body odor to become noticeably different, stronger, or even unusual. Certain medications are known to alter body odor. For example, some blood pressure medications can increase sweat production or change its composition, salt content, or other compounds, resulting in a different body odor, potentially stronger or more unpleasant. Antidepressants and anxiolytics can affect neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine, also impacting sweat glands. Increased sweating and altered sweat composition can lead to a stronger or more unpleasant body odor due to changes in bacterial breakdown of sweat. Some diabetes medications can alter glucose metabolism, potentially resulting in a sweet or fruity body odor due to the body's inefficient processing of glucose and subsequent excretion of specific compounds through sweat. Opioids can also cause body odor changes as a side effect. Long-term users may notice a change in their body odor, which may become different or stronger due to interactions between the drug's components and body chemistry. These changes may be subtle initially, but can become bothersome over time. Medications affect body odor through several mechanisms. They can alter sweat gland function, increasing sweat production or changing sweat composition. For instance, antidepressants can cause night sweats, which may have a stronger odor due to altered sweat chemistry. Medications can also influence the skin's bacterial environment, as sweat provides an ideal breeding ground for bacteria. Some medications may alter the balance of these bacteria, leading to the production of unpleasant-smelling compounds from sweat breakdown. Finally, medications like pain relievers or diabetes medications can alter how the body metabolizes food and nutrients. These metabolic changes can lead to the excretion of different chemical compounds through sweat, resulting in distinct odors, such as the fruity odor associated with some diabetes medications. Addressing medication-induced body odor changes involves several strategies. Consulting a physician is crucial if noticeable body odor changes occur after starting a new medication. A physician can explore adjusting the dosage or switching medications without compromising treatment effectiveness. Sometimes, a simple dosage or medication change can mitigate unwanted side effects, including body odor changes. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water and consuming hydrating foods can help reduce medication-induced body odor changes. Water helps flush out excess compounds and may lessen body odor changes. Using appropriate personal care products designed for sensitive skin or those experiencing body odor changes can also help. Strong deodorants or antibacterial washes can improve body cleansing and reduce odor from bacterial sweat breakdown. Stress management techniques such as relaxation exercises, yoga, or meditation can be beneficial, as some medications, like antidepressants, can increase stress or anxiety, leading to increased sweating and altered body odor. Number 5. The impact of diet on body odor. The foods we consume significantly impact our body odor because the compounds within them can be metabolized and excreted through sweat glands. Each food possesses a unique chemical composition, and during digestion, some compounds enter the bloodstream and are subsequently released through sweat, imparting a characteristic scent. This mechanism is readily apparent when consuming strong-smelling foods like garlic or onions, as their odor becomes noticeable in sweat and breath. However, beyond these pungent foods, various other dietary choices can subtly influence body odor. Garlic and onions. These foods contain sulfur compounds, particularly allicin. During digestion, these compounds are excreted through sweat, altering body odor. This can create a strong, distinctive, and easily noticeable smell. This explains why body odor often changes after consuming garlic or onions. Red meat. Red meats such as beef, pork, and lamb can affect body odor. Red meat digests more slowly than other foods, and during this process, the body produces byproducts that, when combined with sweat, create a stronger body odor. The breakdown of proteins in red meat can produce an unpleasant smell, especially with high consumption over time. Alcohol. When the body metabolizes alcohol, some is excreted through sweat. This explains why the odor of alcohol can be easily detected on the body or breath after consumption. Strong alcoholic beverages, like vodka or whiskey in particular, can produce a readily noticeable odor when excreted through sweat. Spicy foods. Chili peppers, strong spices, Spicy dishes, such as chili peppers, curries, and strong spices can increase sweat production. This sweat often has a sharper, stronger odor because these spices stimulate sweat glands, resulting in sweat containing more pungent compounds. Dairy, milk, and dairy products. Some individuals notice changes in body odor after consuming milk or dairy products like cheese or yogurt. This may be due to poor lactose digestion or difficulty breaking down milk proteins, resulting in a slightly sour or off odor and sweat. While not universal, lactose intolerance can alter body odor. Foods that improve body odor. In addition to foods that can increase body odor, some foods can help reduce or improve it. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and parsley contain chlorophyll, a natural deodorizer that cleanses the body internally, promoting fresher body odor. Citrus fruits. Fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, helping the body eliminate toxins effectively. Their cleansing properties contribute to fresher body odor and reduce unwanted smells. Herbs, basil, mint. Herbs such as basil and mint contain natural deodorizing oils that naturally reduce body odor. These can be used in food or as tea to maintain a pleasant scent. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, helping neutralize body odor internally. It also helps deodorize and freshen breath and sweat. 6. Stress. Stress significantly alters the type of sweat produced by the body. Our bodies possess two main sweat gland types: eccrine glands, which produce odorless sweat for cooling, primarily activated by heat or physical activity, and apocrine glands, located in areas like the armpits and groin, which secrete a thicker sweat rich in proteins and fats. This sweat has a stronger odor due to bacterial decomposition of its components. Stress activates apocrine glands more intensely, leading to increased production of strong-smelling sweat and potentially unpleasant body odor. While stress sweat isn't initially malodorous, skin bacteria break it down, producing an unpleasant smell. Stress sweat contains not only water, but also protein and fat compounds that facilitate bacterial growth. Bacterial decomposition of these compounds results in a more pungent odor. Therefore, stress and anxiety can intensify body odor, particularly during stressful periods. Chronic stress has long-term effects. Prolonged stress alters hormone levels and body chemistry, impacting body odor. Elevated cortisol, a stress hormone, can disrupt sweat gland balance, increasing the production of odorous sweat. Chronic stress can also weaken the body's defenses, allowing bacteria to thrive and intensifying body odor. In older women, particularly during menopause or other hormonal shifts, stress can exacerbate body odor due to changes in skin microbiota, combined with hormonal fluctuations and altered sweat production. Stress-induced sweat can reflect various bodily changes, from mental health issues to the effects of chronic illnesses. Deep breathing. Practicing deep breathing can lower stress hormones, thus reducing stress-induced sweating. Stress reduction through relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, and light walks can help lower stress levels and regulate hormones. Reduced stress minimizes the activity of apocrine sweat glands, thereby reducing body odor. Using antibacterial soap. Because stress sweat contains more bacteria, using antibacterial soap or specialized cleansers can control bacterial growth and reduce body odor. Breathable clothing. Choosing breathable clothing made from natural materials like cotton or linen allows sweat to evaporate more quickly, minimizing body odor. These materials don't retain sweat and bacteria like synthetics. Stress and external factors. Stress originates not only internally but also from external factors such as work, relationships, or health. These factors can cause chronic stress, making body odor more pronounced and unpleasant over time. Furthermore, they can induce sweating or cold sweats, also impacting body odor. 7. Apparel. As we age, sweat changes not only in quantity, but also in quality. Specifically, sweat glands secrete more fats and proteins, creating an environment conducive to bacterial growth and stronger odors. When this sweat comes into contact with clothing, these substances can be absorbed into the fabric and linger, resulting in unpleasant smells. This explains why older adults may find body odor persists longer on their clothes, even after washing. Secondly, fabric type and moisture-wicking capabilities are crucial. Synthetic fabrics like polyester, nylon, or acrylic tend to be less absorbent, trapping sweat and creating an ideal breeding ground for bacteria. These materials often retain sweat and bacteria, leading to lingering body odor. Conversely, natural fabrics such as cotton, linen, or bamboo are more absorbent, allowing sweat to evaporate quickly and keeping the body dry, thus reducing the likelihood of body odor. Finally, synthetic fabrics can accumulate odor due to the oily residue they create when exposed to sweat. During washing, detergent or fabric softener residues may not be completely removed, accumulating on the fabric. This not only leaves clothes less clean, but also makes them more susceptible to retaining body odor. These residues can also irritate the skin and exacerbate odor when exposed to sweat. To address this issue, the video offers several simple yet effective solutions. Washing clothes with white vinegar. A natural and effective way to remove odors and residue from clothing is using white vinegar. Adding a cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle helps break down detergent and fabric softener residue while also eliminating unpleasant smells. Using baking soda. Another solution is adding baking soda to the wash cycle. Baking soda acts as a natural deodorizer, neutralizing odors and keeping clothes cleaner. Avoiding overloading the washing machine. Overloading the washing machine prevents clothes from being thoroughly cleaned. Improper washing can leave odors lingering in clothes, especially those with strong body odor. Drying clothes in sunlight. Sunlight possesses natural antibacterial properties, cleaning clothes and reducing body odor. Air drying clothes enhances odor removal, keeping them fresh and odor-free. 6. Natural fabrics and health benefits. In addition to reducing body odor, natural fabrics such as cotton, linen, and bamboo offer various health benefits. They reduce skin irritation, absorb sweat better, and allow the body to breathe. The comfort these fabrics provide boosts confidence, particularly in warm environments. 8. Habitat. Indoor air quality directly impacts body odor through the absorption of odor molecules. Poor ventilation allows odor molecules from the body, food, and other sources to accumulate, creating unpleasant smells. These odors can cling to skin and clothing, leaving you feeling less fresh. Insufficient air circulation prevents the dissipation of dust, odors, and molecules from sweat, perfume, or food, causing them to adhere to your body and belongings. This increases the likelihood of unwanted body odor, especially with infrequent cleaning. Household furnishings, particularly upholstery like sofas, chairs, carpets, and fabrics, absorb odors from the body, sweat, and personal care products. These items retain these smells for extended periods, especially in poorly ventilated spaces. Many older homes possess a characteristic odor not solely due to dust or age, but rather the absorption of body and other odors by fabrics and wood over time. Household products such as air fresheners, scented candles, soaps, and floor cleaners contribute to a home's scent profile. However, improper selection can create an unnatural smell that may overpower your natural body odor. Some air fresheners, candles, or floor cleaners can mix with body odor to create an unpleasant smell or even cause skin irritation if they contain harsh chemicals. Ventilation and air circulation. Ensure adequate airflow in your home by regularly opening windows. Fresh air eliminates odors, creating a fresher living space and preventing body odor from lingering. Using baking soda. In addition to laundry, baking soda effectively neutralizes household odors. Sprinkle it on sofas and carpets, or place open containers in corners. Its natural odor-absorbing properties neutralize unwanted smells. Cleaning household items. Regularly clean items like pillows, blankets, sofas, and carpets. Dirt, sweat, and body oils accumulate, causing unpleasant odors. Baking soda or white vinegar can aid in cleaning and deodorizing. Using an air purifier. An air purifier removes dust, bacteria, and odor particles from the air. This cleanses the air and minimizes odor molecules clinging to you and your clothing. Maintaining surface hygiene. Surfaces, especially pillows, blankets, and mattresses, readily absorb sweat and body odor if not regularly cleaned. Regularly washing bedding and changing mattress covers contributes to a cleaner environment and reduces body odor buildup. Sunlight's impact. Sunlight plays a crucial role in maintaining fresh air. Air drying laundry outdoors not only speeds drying but also naturally disinfects, creating a fresher, more pleasant living space. Sunlight helps eliminate odors and brings a sense of freshness. We've explored the fascinating secrets behind how body odor changes over time, from hormonal shifts and dietary influences to environmental factors. However, this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated on future videos about health, beauty, and other intriguing scientific discoveries. Have you noticed any such changes in yourself or loved ones? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.